Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some shapes. Heart shape. This is heart shape. Cross shapes. This is cross shapes. This is left, right arrow shapes. This is right arrow shapes. This is right arrow shapes. This is oval shape. Oval shape. This is trapezoid. Trapezoid shapes. Triangle. This is triangle shapes. Triangle shapes. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, red color, green color, blue color, orange color.